Hey buddies, what's up? We're already at the turbo installation, but I have one video before, but I didn't have no introduction. But yeah, today we finally reassembling more of the engine. So big parts like the turbo and stuff like that is coming on. But first of all, we take a look what we did before we put the oil pan on. Alright, just a quick look here. Upgraded the oil pump, so get rid of all that balancer stuff. This is from a 1.8 liter. Basically, and it fits in perfectly, and basically you have to modify it here a little bit for the sensor in the oil pan, and that's about it. So everything is cleaned and ready for the new, or not the new, ready for the oil pan. We cleaned the oil pan already, so the bottom of the block is done. So here the access manifold is already done, everything is clean, new studs installed. So I'll put that gasket on here. Just like that. Okay, and now it's time for our new big nice turbo, which sits on here just like this. Alright. Okay, so we install it like this. I already adjusted it and turned the turbo in the right direction. Okay, let's marry that turbo to that engine. Alright, tighten up. Okay, this one needs to go a little bit. Some of these new copper washers, they clamp a little bit harder because they are kind of oval at the top, kind of like a self-securing element. We'll get another new EA113 line for this shit. Alright, so the timing gear is installed, turned the engine a few times, timing is set perfectly. Now we have to do the turbo return line and everything, feed line and the water lines. Also on this side install the new APR fuel injectors and the intake. So now it's kind of looking like a full engine again, slowly. Right, so that is a pretty complete engine again. All the covers are on, belt tensioner, I have to look for the belt, I think it's in the car still. Turbo, the lines for the turbo are coming in the next video. Basically when we put the transmission on, and also here in the front, a lot of stuff happened here. Here we got the new APR fuel pump in here. APR fuel injectors are in there. Then we got that adapter plate here to drive an external oil cooler. We basically deleted the original engine oil cooler, and I still got the throttle body off so I can access everything here, and have to install a wiring harness. But that's for right now, just so I can show that's the better way to do it. And yeah, the throttle body is still off till I have connected all these coolant pipes. Then I can put the harness in here to the alternator, and then we put the throttle body back in there, and then the engine is basically, it's not much more stuff, and the engine is back ready to go back in the car. But yeah, so that's it for the reason for today, and we're gonna see us next time. Okay.